Oh man, it is good to be back. What's up, everybody? Jarrell Coleman here, and we're gonna be trading some forex again. I'm back. I'm back. Got a new setup, as you can see. I'll be doing videos straight from my computer from now on, so I'll be able to show you how to trade from desktop with the MT4 software. I'll be able to show you how to use TradingView in your internet browser to supplement your charting and be able to save your drawings and your predictions right on the chart. Be able to show you guys a lot of things. I'm up late, as you can see, 3 a.m. trading the London session. We're in a buy right now on GJ. I've been monitoring this move since earlier today. Last thing I probably want to check is just make sure it's no news coming out before I go to sleep. Know if I need to set my stop losses conservative or aggressive. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Clear skies. But if you guys have any questions on anything forex trading related, any videos you want to see me cover in the near future, any topics you want to see me touch on, leave a comment below. Make sure you got your notifications on so you get notified when I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys soon.